Go to fecplatform.fecpost.com, sign into FEC Platform and select Service Nubis. Select Device Monitoring. Find and click the device you want to execute VNC via group uset or via typing its serial number. From the left taskbar, click VNC. Type in the password to access the device. You may need to ask your FEC contact for the default password. After accessing the device on site, you can control the device by your mouse or keyboard on hand. For example, you can remotely open a command prompt and input your command. Here I demonstrate how to get the detailed Ethernet status though typing command on my keyboard, or copy the information you need by using Ctrl+C on the keyboard on your hand. On the left side, there is a VNC taskbar that provides other VNC configuration. Show keyboard. Use special function key or combination key. Show the clipboard. Here you can see the message I just copied from command prompt showed in this clipboard. You can copy them for usage like internal meeting in your team. Set the VNC window to full screen. Set other configurations of VNC. You can leave the VNC in two ways. By click the disconnect here or just close the window. You can change the default password and change password. After changing the password successfully, you can see the successful message in the top right corner. Security setting allow the device on site to select accept the VNC access or not. To turn on this function, it will allow the staff on site to select to accept the VNC access or deny. For example, the staff is doing checkout at the moment and do not want to be disrupted. This function is useful if the device on site is in use by staff.